Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to process a death claim in SSS. First, identify the primary beneficiaries, such as the legal spouse and dependent children. Next, gather all the necessary documents, including the original death certificate and the deceased member's SSS ID. Finally, complete the SSS death claim application form and submit it to your nearest SSS branch. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. To ensure a successful claim, you'll need several key documents. Make sure to secure the deceased member's SSS ID and UMID card. You'll also need the original death certificate and, if applicable, the marriage certificate. For dependent children, prepare their original birth certificates. Having these documents ready will significantly speed up the processing time for your death claim. Once you have all the required documents, complete the SSS death claim application form accurately. Submit all documents, both original and photocopies, to the nearest SSS branch. Remember to keep a copy of your application and all submitted documents for your records. You can then monitor the status of your claim conveniently through the SSS online portal or by contacting their customer service. After submission, the SSS will thoroughly review all your documents and the claim application. If approved, beneficiaries may receive either a lump sum amount or a monthly pension, depending on the deceased member's contributions and the duration of their membership. The specific benefits provided are designed to offer financial support to the qualified beneficiaries during this challenging time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.